welcome back to my channel. So sorry guys again if it take too long to record the video again. So here we go. We're playing dealership type. I don't know, I just don't remember. It's just Foxy's production, made by Fox. And by the way, subscribe to him if you want. Well, here we go. There, yeah. Okay. Oh my. Oh my, that's so loud. Let's ride my car, guys. Woohoo! Let's ride my Bugatti W. I don't know why Bugatti. Oh my. Oh my. Sounds. There. Better. Oh my goodness. Okay. Oh, someone wants to race, by the way. What? Okay. All we gotta do is... Oh, wanna drive my car? Your child. I mean, yeah. Joke. There we go. Oops, why am I bad driver? I'm a bad driver. Joke again. There we go, parking it here. Who wants to drive? Oops. Who wants to drive my car? Who wants to drive my car? Yeah. Oh, guys, let's ask somebody. Comment down below if you want to drive my car too. My goodness, this car is so fast. Let's just back it up. Backing up. I'm backing up. Oh, he left. Why did you leave? Why did you leave? Oh my, go back. Let's go back to my tycoon. Oh, here's a car. You wanna drive my car? Hey. Oh my. Oh, where are you? I want to sit on your... Ooh. Oh my goodness, my brother's here. By the way, guys, my brother's here. Yeah. Hello. Brother, where are you? Yeah, I will come there. So where are you? Okay. Where is he? It's so hard. It's hard. Is that him? Is that him? Oh, there are 3 more cars. Who? Oh wait, my brother said... Why did you say drag race? Let's ask the other one. Where are you? Well, oh, not you. Okay, not you. The other one who wants to ride my car for money. I don't know why. You're just driving a car, then you got money already. Okay. Well, we're back at my tycoon. Oh my goodness, why is someone saying, "Leave me alone, please, I'm angry"? Why are you angry, bro? Did I make you angry? I'm not even doing anything to you. Why is he why he or she? I don't know. Maybe he or she. Maybe I don't know. Why are you angry? Well, I'll gonna tell brand cars of IO. Of course, that's me. IO. That's my channel's name. AKCP Gaming. Well, that's really gonna be cool name. Cool name. Let's play this thing. Let's play this thing. Hey, 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 hey. Ooh, hey. Ooh, ooh. Okay, what? Okay, let's just drive. I know, don't talk to me. Wait, brother, why are you not you, Bunny? I know, don't talk to me. Blah blah blah. Brother, why are you doing? Why are you making her angry? Crazy. Let's park. Well, this is the best thing. There we go. Let's tell them it's black and white. It's a black and white. Oh my goodness, is that? Who's that? Who's that? Is that? Oh my goodness, that's my brother. Lamborghini, really? Lamborghini? What are you doing here, brother? Why are you in my Lambo? I mean, are you in my Bugatti? Bugatti. I mean, Bugatti. That's true. Oh my. Why? Why is he angry? I can come. Oh, who's that? Who are you? Where are you? Oh my goodness, people of the world. I wanna pause. No, let's not pause. Where are you guys? Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Oh, let's say sorry about that guy first. I'm sorry, I thought you wanna come in my car. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, are you... Wait, wrong spelling of thought. Oh my goodness. That's a wrong spelling. Sorry guys. Sorry guys for the wrong spelling. That's the other thought. That is teach in present tense. Sorry guys. I I just forgot the word at the spelling of thought. Wait, let's 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 correct that. Well, where are we here? Where are we? Where are we? Where are we? By the way, guys, this is a new map. Yeah, new map of Foxy's Tycoon. We have the drag race, and the racetrack got bigger than before. Yeah. Okay, let's. Who wants to drive my Bugatti Davro, guys? Wait, guys, wait. Oh, there we go. Okay, okay. Okay, we're okay now. So let's just drive this thing. Whoever wants to. Oh, he said no. Okay.
Oh wait, what am I saying? Wait. I'm wrong. Sorry. Wait. That's why I can't. Okay, there. Okay. I'll leave you alone. I'm not talking to you guys. Brother, huh? Oh,
I'm top. That's. Oops, sorry. Who am I? Lagging? No. Oh no, there's no lag actually. There we go. There we go. So here is my tycoon. Do you want to go in my tycoon? This is my tycoon. This is my cars. My, yeah. Reception. My car. Yeah, my car. Hey, where are you going? Oh my, is that brother? What are you doing again? Oh my, someone's driving my car. Sorry, brother. I have to go because someone's driving my car. Oh, by the way, guys, this is the mountain. There's a new mountain in this tycoon. There. Oh my, how? Wait, what? There's a lag? That's a glitch? How come there's a glitch? Oh, by the way, this is a new tunnel. I can say it because it's a new tunnel. There, new tunnel. There we go. By the way, I can't buy the faster one. I can only buy the Bugatti or Bucati. I don't know why this name. Because it's not sponsored by those cars, so it's not, you know. That's why. But I can't buy the other one, the Connexi. But I don't know. I don't remember the name. Just can't buy it because it's 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 because it's what you call that? Yeah, it needs Robux. Oh, my brother's left behind. Yeah, that's why I stopped him. By the way, guys, see you next time for more of my videos. Please subscribe and like this video. And see you next time. Oh, bye then.